Every morning, at exactly 4 a.m., a 10-year-old boy was forced out of bed. No alarm, no choice, just his father's hand in the dark. He hated it. What he didn't know? That this one habit would one day build an empire. And here's the crazy part. The thing you hate the most right now might be the only thing that saves your future. He grew up in extreme poverty. No full meals, no comfort, no shortcuts. Just two parents, a father who never missed 4 a.m. and a mother who never complained. Ever. Not once. While other kids slept, he was in the mud, cold, exhausted, angry. And every night he asked himself, if my parents worked this hard, why are we still poor? That question changed everything.
At 14, he ran away. Worked on railroads, got dragged back, tried again, got scammed. Tried a third time, sold his father's cow, their only asset, just to study. And when his father found him, he didn't yell, he cried, and that broke him. So he went back. Cold winter, empty stomach, no hope. Until he remembered something simple, a frog jumping for a branch, failing again and again, until one jump finally worked. And he asked himself, am I weaker than a frog? That was it. Fourth attempt. No money, no plan. Just one thing, discipline. He got a job at a rice shop. No salary, just food. But something was different. While others complained, he was already working. While others were late, he was early, because 4 a.m. was already in his blood. One day, the owner showed him a grain of rice. Looks like nothing, right? But plant it, and it feeds a family. Then he said, you're that grain. That's when it clicked. 4 a.m. wasn't punishment, it was training. His mother's silence, strength. His struggles, preparation. Within 4 years, he wasn't just working there, he was running the entire shop. And then, the owner made a decision. Not his son, not his family, him. He gave him the business, just like that. That one shop became more. Construction, manufacturing, engineering, until eventually he built one of the largest companies his country had ever seen. And when people asked him, where did it all start? He never said luck, never said talent. He said, it started at 4 a.m. Most people are waiting for opportunity. This boy, he became ready for it every single morning. So ask yourself, what if your future success is hiding inside the discipline you're avoiding today? If this hit you, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, empires aren't built in a day. They're built in the mornings nobody sees.